properly flashing a window with Quik-Fix window and door sealing tape. Quik-Fix BT25XL window and door sealing tape forms a permanent waterproofing air and vapor seal around doors and windows that prevent air and moisture leaks, meets or exceeds AMA 711 requirements, passed hurricane-level wind-blown rain tests per ASTM E331, complies with ASTM E2112 requirements, and can be left exposed for 120 days. In this video, we'll demonstrate how we recommend flashing a window using Quik-Fix. Note that Quik-Fix is an asphalt-based tape and should not be used in direct contact with flexible polyvinyl chloride. An example would be a flexible window flange. The vast majority of vinyl windows utilize a rigid PVC window nailing flange and will not be affected by asphalt-based adhesives. In the window flashing video you are about to see, the wall, including the window, have been covered with a weather-resistive barrier or house wrap. Protecto wrap recommends cutting the house wrap back so that the Quik-Fix comes in contact with and seals the window flange to the sheathing. Begin by cutting the house wrap around the rough window opening. Then mark the width of the Quik-Fix at the top and bottom of both sides of the window. Cut the house wrap straight across at the bottom and 45 degrees from the top corners. Fold back the side and top pieces of house wrap and tape in place. Make sure surfaces are clean, dry, and free of dirt and other foreign matter. Test the sheathing surface for adhesion. If adequate adhesion is not obtained, prime the sheathing surface with Protecto Wrap BT Primer or Protecto Tack Spray Adhesive. Follow the instructions for applying primer. If using spray adhesive, take care not to overspray onto the glass or other finished surfaces. Start by cutting the piece for the sill flashing the width of the rough opening plus 2 times the flashing width. For example, if your window width is 36 inches and you are using 9-inch wide Quik-Fix as shown in this video, you would cut a strip 54 inches long so the flashing tape extends 9 inches beyond the width of the window sill in both directions. Remove half of the release liner and adhere to the sheathing and across the rough opening and onto the sheathing. Remember, you want to extend Quik-Fix 9 inches beyond the rough opening in both directions. Slit Quik-Fix down on both sides of the rough opening at the side jambs and fold down middle section of Quik-Fix onto the window sill. Remove the remaining half of release liner, press into place, and roll the Quik-Fix surface to assure adhesion. In this video, the house wrap is already installed, so you want to apply the bottom half of the Quik-Fix on top of the house wrap to form a drain plane. If the house wrap is not installed, leave the bottom half of the release paper on the Quik-Fix, and when you install the house wrap, then peel back the release liner and apply Quik-Fix on top of the house wrap. Install window per manufacturer's directions. Cut 2 jamb flashing pieces the height of the rough opening plus 2 times the flashing width and subtract 1 inch. You want the header flashing tape to overlap the jamb flashing in a water-shedding fashion. Now, remove half of the release liner and press into place, then remove the remaining half of release liner while pressing into place and roll surface. We find it easier to apply half of the flashing tape at a time, especially with wider width flashing tapes. Repeat this same process for the other side of the window. Next, cut the head flashing to be the width of the rough opening plus 2 times the flashing width and add an additional 2 inches. After removing half of the release liner, press into place overlapping both sides. Remove the rest of the release liner and roll into place. Now simply unfold the house wrap and tape the seams with flashing tape. Quik-Fix window and door sealing tape. An easy and effective solution for sealing around windows and doors.